I'm in Carlton, and there's this Sterling M-10. Looks really old since it has a really simple design. And I first wanted to show this right here, because this is the fire call button. It's pretty hard to read. That says start, that says brake glass, push start button. Can't tell what that says right there though. See Fire Alarm Co. Looks like it says Sterling Siren Fire Alarm Co. So that's interesting. And then up here is the actual Sterling itself. If I can just get a good look. Yeah. It looks like the left horn might be patched up. So maybe they needed to fix the horns. Also has a nice accessory platform. So that's basically it though. Or at least just see. So yeah, that's it for now.